All right, here we go. Sorry, my face cam is on the fritz. Um, we're doing 2024 Topps Chrome Football Hobby 4-box break number one. We're starting with this filler. The top spot's going to get the Bears, the second, the Patriots, the third, the Eagles, the fourth, the Texans, fifth, the Chargers, sixth, the Bucks, seventh, the Dolphins, eighth, the Panthers, nine, the Rams, 10, the Vikings. This is everybody in it. Good luck to you. Thank you for joining. This is how many times we'll hit the randomizer. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There you go. Kelly Shopper, Kelly. Kelly is a big winner. Delete column. Kelly Bears, Shopper Patriots, Kelly Eagles, Big Hurt Texans, Chargers, Parker Buccaneers, Fool Dolphins, Big Hurt Panthers, Parker Rams, and Vikings. Give me a moment. I'll add these to the sheet, team sheet, and it'll be time to break. Eric, Angela, Chris. All right, all good. Close these windows out. These are your teams. Thank you, everybody, very much. Good luck. Blue, Cardinals, Lions, Falcons. Big Hurt, Texans, Chargers, Panthers. Shopper, what the heck? Shopper, Ravens, Bengals, Browns, Jags, Saints, Seahawks, and Patriots. Eduardo S., the Broncos. Fleur 2, the Cowboys and Steelers. Fool, the Dolphins. Great Gamsby, the Raiders. J. Long, the Commanders. Bills, Chiefs, 49ers. Titans, Bears, Eagles for Kelly. Schroeder, the Jets. Parker with the Bucks, Rams, and Vikings. Ray Sports Cards, the Packers. And Tommy Boy Jr., the Colts and the Giants. What? Hello? Is it because it's on this one? I'll have to just delete it. Oh, man. Properties. Why can't I remove? Add. Video capture device. HDMI. Make source visible. HDMI. Wave. All right, got it. A little frustrating. I don't know what's going on. All right, 1, 2 on the dice, we'll do this stack. 3, 4, we'll do this stack. 5, 6, we'll do this stack. It's at 3, so we're going in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She had to make the donuts. Floor 2 will hit. I think donuts always sound good. I'm excited to see some of these inserts. Here we go. And these are bricky. Ben Coates. Junior Collison. Los Angeles Chargers. Where all my top loads go, man. Dylan Johnson. Bo Nix. Luke McCaffrey. Is that 2 cards? No, it's just 1. Willie Gault, Refractor. Legends of the Gridiron, Randy Moss. Sunday Swag, Peyton Manning. Doug Williams /50. Tampa Bay. all etch. Brock Bowers /50 gold. Great Gamsby, Raiders. Blake Corum, Malik Neighbors. Joshua Cribbs, Cole Bishop, Jerzan Newton, reverse negative Willie Galt, Bears, Munoz, Braswell, Joe Alt, Thurman Thomas refractor, Revis Island, Sweat, Bradley. Looks like a Gold Wave, Junior Colson. Man, he's popular in this box. Ooh, I don't like coconut. Glazer Cruller. I don't know that one. Bear Claws are good. Xavier Leggett. Tyrion Arnold. Drake May, all etch. Trey Benson. Brock Bowers. Yeah, dude, hobby I think is where it's at. Anthony Richardson /199 for the Colts. Tommy Boy Jr. On Google. Bo Nix, Youthquake. Jacob Coing, Finesse, Warren Moon, Marshawn Lloyd. Jan Stenerud /75. Chiefs is Kelly. All right. That is your first box. Ah, here they are. I was playing with my Pokemon cards. A baker's dozen. I'd do it. They're going to make Topps Inception football. That should be kind of fun. Kurt Warner. Amon Green, Adrian Cooper, Michael Hall Jr. Paul Krause. Minnesota Vikings refractor auto. Parker with the Vikings. Old safety. Imagine being a safety and having your face wide open like that. Ben Sinnott. Now they wear helmets on their helmets. Marvin Harrison Jr. Zach Thomas, refractor, all etch. Xavier Worthy. Nate Wiggins. Ron Jaworski, Purple-tastic /75, Philadelphia. Cooper DeJean. Paul Krause, Michael Pratt Jr., Peyton Manning, Fontenot, Will Shipley. Future stars, Johnny Wilson. Kelly had Philly. You had Baltimore, Cincinnati, Cleveland, Jacksonville, New England, New Orleans, and Seattle. You love that purple. ED. Eric Dickerson. Jaden Daniels. Tony Hill /50. Cowboys. Floor 2, Tyler Newbin. Spencer Rattler, Caleb. Marshall Falk. Chop Robinson. I think this is an auto, an orange wave auto of Will Levis /25 for the Titans. Kelly, have yourself a break. Drake May. Nice. Future Stars refractor, Vidal, Wright. Tim Tebow. Ray Lewis. Jabari Small. Eli. Got a pink. Kellen Winslow /399. Pink. Chargers. Jalen Wright /75, Youthquake. Did you ever see him walk into school? Yeah, hobby's colorful. I like that. I think hobby's where it's at. Man, screw Breakers Delight. We want some hobby. Jason Witten. Xavier Worthy. Frank Gore. Fiske. Jonathan Brooks. We don't know if he's good yet. He didn't really play this year. Actually, I think he played a couple snaps a game at the end of the season. They're like, yeah, it's not worth it. Because he had that injury at the end of college. The knee injury. Caleb. Jason Elam. Archie Manning. Bob Greasy to 150, Miami. Bo Nix Future Stars. Bruce Matthews. Will Ricard. Sweet rookie kicker. Malik Neighbors. Roger Staubach. Ricky Pearsall. Gold. No, it's yellow. Ricky Pearsall to 75 for the 49ers. Kelly. Tim Brown. Donovan McNabb. Jonathan Brooks. Bo Nix. Jalen Polk. New England. Patriots. Shopper. Anthony Richardson. Hines Ward. Another purple. Antonio Freeman to 275. Green Bay. Tavondre Sweat, 1 out of 25 Future Stars. I don't know. Maybe you did. None of my business. I heard somebody got stabbed. Wonder what kind of watch it was. Ooh, the laser beam watch. Yeah, I could have just zapped him back. Herman Moore, Lad McConkey, Theo Johnson, Austin Reed. Orange, Jordan Morgan to 25. Green Bay. Well, prices just went up in number 2 and 3. Better hurry and get some. Jalen Wright. Lobby Eichenberg. Edgerrin James. John Elway. Ellis Ford. Dave Robinson to 99. Old Green Bay. Jaws. Vidal. Man. Xavier Worthy. Franklin. It's just the veteran base cards that are sticking together. Nothing else. Marvin Harrison Jr. Finesse. Marcus Allen. Refractor. Dante Hall. The X Factor. Archie Griffin Bengals. The $3.99. It's almost purple. Shopper. Joey Porter. Latui Colts to 199. Man, why does it keep doing that? Stay focused. Stay focused. Edgerrin Cooper. Neighbors. Corum. Sneeze is coming. Excuse me. Whew. Finally got it out. Was teasing me for like 2 hours. Purple Cardinal Kurt Warner. Blue. I am allergic to Wolverines. Jonathan Brooks to 99. Finesse. All right. That is it for the first of our hobby. Do a little recap. Do a little recap. Maybe you can refer to the recap when you're thinking about buying teams in number 2 and 3. Probably a good thing to do. See what already came out, what hasn't. Some parallels. Dave Robinson, 99. Jonathan Brooks to 99. Pearsall to 75. Tony Hill to 50. Willie Gold. Doug Williams to 250. Sweat to 25. 1 out of 25. Bob Greasy to 150. Xavier Worthy Refractor. Jalen Wright Gold to yellow to 75. Bo Nix Refractor. Jan Stenerud to 75. Junior Colson to 50. Brock Bowers, 5 out of 50. All etch. Very nice. Autographs. Jordan Morgan to 25. Jonathan Brooks. Paul Krause. Latu to 199. Polk. Drake May Refractor. Will Levis to 25. Anthony Richardson to 199. And Junior Colson. that is it on this one. Thank you, everybody, very much. I appreciate it.